Welcome!
From our home to yours, a cooking channel where professionals from Cooperative Extension show you how to cook delicious, health-promoting recipes that they love. I'm April Payne, Family and Consumer Science Extension Agent with Virginia Cooperative Extension. Today, I'm going to show you the recipe that I love, crispy oven-fried chicken.
The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends that we eat a variety of proteins in our diets, including lean meats like chicken, fish, legumes, and nuts, among others. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein.
Before we begin, food safety is an important topic to discuss. First, make sure that you have cleaned all your food contact surfaces and wash your hands for 20 seconds. Again, that's 20 seconds. Do not rinse your raw chicken. This actually contaminates your food preparation area or other foods in the process, and it doesn't remove any bacteria. All the bacteria will be cooked away if it's cooked properly.
Although often overlooked, it's important to wash your utensils in between uses. I'm using these tongs to handle the raw chicken, so I will need to wash them before touching cooked chicken. Otherwise, I'm potentially contaminating my cooked food with salmonella. For this recipe, we'll need a half a cup of fat-free milk or buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, 1 cup of fine cornflake crumbs or fine breadcrumbs, 1½ tablespoons of onion powder, 1½ tablespoons of garlic powder, 1½ to 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, optional, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 8 pieces of chicken, skin removed, ideally 4 breast and 4 drumsticks, a shake of paprika, and non-stick cooking oil. Before you begin cooking, prepare a bowl or a plastic bag with a half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning added to the milk or buttermilk. Add the chicken and refrigerate for an hour or more.
I'm using buttermilk, which is low in fat but high in calcium and potassium, and it gives the chicken a delicious, tangy taste that's not overpowering. It's a thicker consistency that helps to coat the chicken better too.
When you're ready to prepare the chicken, remove it from the refrigerator and preheat your oven to 350. Combine all the other spices with the cornflakes or breadcrumbs and place them in a plastic bag or bowl. Dip the chicken into the seasoning or breadcrumbs or shake the bag with the chicken. Space the chicken evenly on a baking pan sprayed with non-stick cooking spray and shake paprika on top of the chicken for color. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 40 minutes, and then you'll remove the aluminum foil and continue baking or until a food thermometer reaches 165 degrees when inserted into the thickest part of the meat. If it does not reach 165 yet, put it back in the oven to cook longer and definitely wash your thermometer before testing the chicken again. Drumsticks may require less time than breast or thighs to cook. Do not turn chicken during baking. Thank you for joining me making this delicious meal. For more great videos, check out our YouTube channel. For more information about extension programs in your area, contact your county extension office.